back to my channel. Let me show you how to make easy chicken ricotta meatballs. Chicken ricotta meatballs is made using minced chicken. It's one of the easiest high protein chicken dinner recipes which you should definitely give it a try. Super easy and comforting meal which you can serve with rice or with spaghetti or any pasta of your choice. So let's get started with the recipe.
First up, add some minced chicken breast in a large bowl. Next, add some panko breadcrumbs to it. Now you can skip it if you are into dietary restrictions and don't want to use it. It'll still turn out great. Next, add some eggs, Italian seasoning, red pepper flakes, garlic powder, ricotta cheese and salt and pepper. I'm using partly skimmed ricotta cheese here. Combine all of this to make your mixture and then roll them into 9-inch sized balls. Meanwhile, heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a skillet and gently add these chicken ricotta meatballs into it. Now you want to space it out evenly so that the oil doesn't get dirty while it gets cooked, and also they get perfectly golden brown in color. Cook them for about a couple of minutes over medium-high low heat. Now the base recipe of all chicken meatballs is this one. However, you can do a couple of alterations, like you can replace minced chicken with ground beef or ground turkey. Any amount of veggies you want to add it, you can. The base recipe remains the same. For the sauce, I'm gonna make some fire roasted tomato and bell pepper sauce. For that, simply I'll crank up the heat to high and fire roasted tomato over high heat until it gets perfectly charred and brown on all the sides. Similarly, I'm going to repeat the same step with the bell pepper. I'll get it charred perfectly so that you have a nice roasty charred flavor to it. This will give a beautiful smoky taste to my sauce. I'll simply chop it up really finely and then add all of this into a blender. Couple of alterations here. You can use a can of charred tomato as well. Also, you can replace green bell pepper with sweet red bell pepper, yellow or orange bell pepper as well. Just add all the chopped veggies into a blender. Next, to this I'm also gonna add about 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, some Italian seasoning, red pepper flakes, salt and pepper. If you don't want it spicy, you can skip the red pepper flakes as well. Blend it all until you have a smooth and creamy fire roasted tomato and bell pepper sauce ready. This is really amazing and it has a beautiful smoky taste to it. Simply pour this blended sauce into your skillet and simmer over medium-low heat for a couple of minutes so that the rawness of the tomatoes and all the veggies goes away. And once you have simmered it for 4 to 5 minutes, simply add the meatballs into it. Now just cook it over very low heat for 2 minutes so that the meatballs soak up all the flavors of the sauce and they get perfectly ready. And there you go, these easy chicken ricotta meatballs are ready. You can serve these as is or over a bed of spaghetti or pasta or rice. Do give this a try and let me know how you enjoyed making this recipe. Also, grate some fresh mozzarella cheese on top. You can use any cheese of your choice. I like to use provolone or Asiago as well. It works really amazing in this one. Garnish with some fresh parsley and this Italian chicken ricotta meatballs is ready in no time. Hope you enjoyed making this recipe with me. Do give this a try and let me know how you enjoyed making this recipe.
How you make easy chicken ricotta meatballs. You can swap the sauce with any sauce of your choice. It's so easy to make. Do give this a try, and if you have any questions, post them below in the comment section. I'll be happy to go through them and answer them for you. You can find all the recipe descriptions and alterations in the description box below. Also find the macros in the description box below. You can adjust it as per your choice. Also, do hit the subscribe button and the like button so that you never miss an update whenever I post a new recipe. Stay tuned for more easy, healthy dinner recipes. Have a great day.